Well, this is a US-based client running a motivational marketing seminar for approximately 4,000 visitors across 3 days. The setup consisted of a 2-day rig within which we had to house the technical rehearsals on day 2. We had approximately 25 crew to deliver that within the timeframes. We have a very nice lighting rig consisting of 20 moving head lights and numerous fixed lighting products as well. We have a 70-speaker PA system consisting of a line array to cover the entire auditorium, 3.9mm LED screen which is acting as the central screen on the stage, and in addition we have a 4-camera high-definition PPU system and 20,000 lumen projectors on the side screens as well. Well, the advantages of working with Blitz is that we've been in-house at this venue for many years and we've got intimate knowledge of the venue and the space and the infrastructure here. In addition, we've got very close relationships with the in-house teams of the event managers, the rigging team, etc., which is very, very important when you've got such short lead times in delivering an event of this nature. In addition, we house a lot of backup equipment on site so we can cater for last-minute changes or additions as and when required. And one final benefit is that we can often get a head start on the build because we are the in-house supplier here at ExCeL.